Dena Bank is having 29 zones all over India, and it is spread all over states in India. The Bangalore zone has been bifurcated 3 years back, and Hyderabad zone has come out segregated from Bangalore zone. Now this Hyderabad zone, we are having 2 states, Telangana as well as this Andhra Pradesh. We are having in all 54 branches. 28 branches are in Andhra Pradesh and 26 branches are in Telangana. Our zones business, Dena Bank business is about at present 3,600 crore. As of September 2016, there is the latest figure, out of which 1,860 is the advances portfolio and remaining is the deposits. Because of this economic slowdown and all that, and because of some other reasons, our business has been reduced from 4,700 crore in March 16 to this level 3,600 crore as on the date. We expect good progress during this current season because of the good monsoon also in latest in Hyderabad and all that. Priority sector advances of our bank, it has increased like anything. It is 50% of our total advances against the target or we can statutory requirement of our RBI, that is 40%. Agriculture business also we are doing good. It is about 19% of our total advances. Retail finance also we are doing good. It is about 20% of the total advances. Our bank is also doing good business in SME, MSME. More focus is given by our bank, Dena Bank, to the government-sponsored schemes. In that way, we are participating, contributing to the schemes developed by or sponsored by the state government as well as central government. So that schemes we generate income of the people. They contribute for upgradation of the lifestyle of the people, poorest of the people, poor. Income generating capacity, these schemes are, these schemes are introduced for that purpose only. And Dena Bank is contributing a lot, either in case of Mudra loan or in case of, you can say, Stand Up India and all that. So in all districts of these 2 states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, we have our exposure. And on war footing basis, our branches are doing business to help out and to upgrade the standard of living of even poorest or poor, tribal area and all that. So in that way, since we are the nationalized bank, where the share of the central government is about 58% in our total equity, so we are the government bank, and that's why it becomes our duty also to contribute more for the social welfare, social development. At present, we are having 54 branches, as I said. During the current year, because of this gloomy picture and economic slowdown, branches and banks are incurring loss. So during this current year, we don't expect to expand our branches and all that. Despite that, we are opening 1 branch in our Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada already we are having 1 branch, we are opening 2nd branch. There are 39 ATMs we are having. See, in all 54 branches, 30 ATMs are there. But ATMs are there, even if they are not enough, we are trying to establish more ATMs. But since ATM, in anywhere, any bank, ATMs can be operated. The Dena Bank's card issued by the Dena Bank can be operated at ATM of any banks. So in that way, there is no problem. Despite this, we are having BC facilities, business correspondents. They are moving all the interior parts of various districts and rural areas and all that. It is a mobile banking, we can say. It serves the purpose because our BC, they are appointed by our bank. There are about 8 BCs in our bank, this Hyderabad zone. They are moving door to door to the tribal areas and all that for sharing the information about the banking facilities, what products we are having, either deposit side or advances side. And also they are helping in way of opening many accounts in Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, PMEGP we are telling, even Mudra and all that. So, banking or we can say the financial inclusion, it is spread to even the remote part, interior part of villages to ensure that not a single family is there without banking account. In current financial year, yes, every year we expect that the business should grow accordingly. There should be an average increase about 18 to 20% business. So in advances at present, I told you that it is 1,860 crores, but our target is 2,675 crore. And we are very confident that by March, we will be able to achieve this advances target. The major portion will be to priority sector advances. As I told you, our total contribution in retail lending is about 20%. And the areas where the metro centers are there, like, Hyderabad and all that, and some other urban areas, we are focusing on, housing loans as well as mortgage loans, we can say. Then there are vehicle loans. Okay, there are certain other parameters, education loans. We are concentrating much more on the retail lending sector also, because we are very much sure about the recovery portion in this retail lending. There is no fear of any account going to NP and all that, because the customer choice in this retail lending is a middle income group as well as higher income group. So we are planning, because in that way spread is also somewhat higher compared to other segment, and that is why profitability is also likely to increase if you focus on retail lending. So we are focusing on the retail lending, including housing loans. Corporations are social responsibility. Just see, it is a part of our Dena Bank head office. Whatever challenges regarding the corporate social responsibility it is accepted by Dena Bank, and all zones are participating to the fullest extent. There is no particular scheme I can say about for my zone is concerned, but whatever schemes and under whatever the message or direction is given from head office, we are complying it. Our bank, last year also we have achieved so many awards and all that. We have maximum spread in priority sector advances. Our branches are giving good services all over zone, both states, and that is why complaints from the customers are also very less. So far traders are concerned, we have got a very good scheme in Dena Bank, that is trade finance scheme. When we talk about the traders, and there is a trade finance scheme in which, and there are 100% security bank is taken, they are taking in the form of mortgage and all that. And to the extent of 50% of the market value, we are giving this CC limit for trading purpose, So in that way, the formality or procedure of submitting various statements and all that, it is curtailed. There is no need to submit stock statement every month. There is no need for any half-yearly statement also. Once this stock statement is submitted half-yearly, it serves the purpose. So based upon this stock statement, half-yearly receipt, and whatever the deficits are there, to arrive at the DP drawing power we say in the CCH account, that deficit is covered by the value of the security what we have mortgaged from the party. So it is a very good and very cheaper facility given by the bank for the traders.